This is a CAPL label designing software for TSC printer. We can design a label in this. Give the size. There are the label properties. This is something similar to Label View, label designing softwares, or Bartender, nice label like that. So here we can change different properties, font, data, like that, and it is getting changed here. So it is the concept, what you see, what you get. So such different orientation fields, 1D barcode, 2D barcode, box, line, and also logo can be taken. So this is a logo, and as our printer is a black and white printer, even we assign a color logo, it will get automatically converted to black and white image. You can assign any logo, BMP, JPG, PNG, like that. Concatenation of two fields, incremental serial number, current date time logic, all this is implemented in this label designing software. Now we will see how this is going to be interfaced with SAP. So this is a batch number field, and there is one property of it is fixed data. So here we can select whether this field is item code, sale order number, batch number, item description, customer name, and many more. So this list is populated according to requirement of one of our valued customer. So if I select it is a batch number, then the color will become green, and now this data will come from SAP at runtime. So now this field is going to be printed as batch number. Now for understanding, we have entered one dummy batch number, batch 0101. So when data will come from SAP as batch 0101, it will be printed like this. So now we can save this format. According to this, I have designed already one label format. We will open that saved label format now. So we will click on this open label format, and then now we will open this saved label format. So this is open now. For better understanding, we can zoom it. So this is a 50 mm by 25 mm label we are getting on the screen, and there is one facility over here that if we click on this, all this label will be encrypted in a special label format which we can export to SAP. So now we will see how we can export it to SAP. So in SAP we have developed one master which is a label format master. So we will give one name to it. These are the blank labels on which label is going to be printed. So we will give name to this file as format yellow patch. Then we will click on this copy to SAP button, and we will go to our SAP screen. Here it is another button, paste label format. So whatever we have copied, it will get pasted over here. Also, for better understanding and better user friendliness, we will assign one label image to it that I have already uploaded through AC78. So with this, operator will get to know that I have to upload this label, and after printing, this format yellow patch will be printed like this, which is a 50 by 25 mm label. So now we have given a name, assigned a label format, and our encrypted label format is also we have entered, assign a logo to it or image to it. Then we will click on this save format button. So record added successfully message we are getting. So now our this label format is saved into SAP system. So now we will print the label format with the actual data from SAP. So for this we have developed this form. We will enter this information: what is the work order, what is the item code, what is the batch number, what is the item color. This I have designed according to one of our customer requirement. It can be developed as per requirement of the SAP client. So now we have entered our label format, and we will click on this get label format. Then our label format has come on into SAP screen. Operator will get to know that this is my label format image and I have to load this label into printer. So now we have loaded our labels into printer, and now we will click on this button, which is a print label. So we will click on this button, print label, going to print the label. Now here we can see, so whatever information we have entered in SAP, it has been replaced at runtime with the actual data, and our label is getting printed. So here we can see what was the item code and what was the batch number. Also with this we can take the online weight from serial interface weight machine directly into SAP, and we can print that information also. So this SAP screen contains different business logic, from where the work order will come, from where item code, batch number, item color, all this information will come. So this business logic can be developed according to customer, it will be different, but the label printing facility will be same to all customers. Right now this label designing and printing facility in SAP is for this TSC printer. So this is a pre-printed label for one of our customer. We can design that also in our label designing software like this, which is a 80 by 38 mm label, and we have assigned a background image property to this label for better understanding and designing of label like this. So we have got the pre-printed label image like this. Earlier designing time, operator will get like this, and he can assign a label as a background image from this option. So we will assign our, now here we can see it is assigned as a background image. This can also be transferred to SAP in a special label format, and it can be printed with variable data, item code, item description, work order number, batch number, like this.